ನೀನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡು ಬಾ ಅದೊಂದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ.
Hello, sir. Sir, audible ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ?
ಸರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್?
ಹಲೋ,
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್?
ಕೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ. ಸರ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ. ಅವ್ರೇನಾದ್ರು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರ?
ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am, audible ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಯಾ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Sir, I'll give you introduction, sir, on 2 minutes. Then you can start the session.
ಫೋಟೋ ಯಾರನ್ನಾರು
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Yes, sir.
You can start, ma'am.
Okay. Start.
You can start, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Start ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿ.
ನೀವೇ ತೆಗಿತೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ನಾನು ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. Okay. So good morning everyone. So on behalf of VKIT family, I Manasabi, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Vivekananda Institute of Technology, welcomes you all to this occasion of webinar event on intellectual property rights and IP management for startups in association with ISTE, Indian Society for Technical Education. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome today's speaker, Mr. Ullas P., a founder and managing partner of Diksuchi Mysuru, Assistant Professor, PESE, Mandya. Welcome you, sir. I also welcome Srimati Indira Gopalakrishna, Vice Chairman, JES. I extend my warm welcome to Dr. D.V. Chandrasekhar, Principal, IQAC Head, IAC President, and my hearty welcome to Professor P. Vanjakshi, IAC Chief Coordinator, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science Engineering.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
I also welcome Dr. Shaila K, IIC Vice President, VKIT. My warm welcome to Professor R. Chandrama, IIC Convener and in charge of Incubation Center, VKIT. Last but not the least, I also welcome all the heads of the department, faculties and students of VKIT College. It gives me an immense pleasure to introduce our speaker, Mr. Ullas P., founder and managing partner of Diksuchi Mysuru and assistant professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Mandya. He received his BE Electronic and Communication Engineering degree from Bahubali College of Engineering from VTU, Karnataka, and MTech in Digital Communication and Networking degree from Oxford College of Engineering of VTU, Karnataka in 2012 and 2014 respectively. He is pursuing his PhD from VTU, Karnataka in the field of wireless sensor networks. Currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, PS College, Mandya. So he published more number of paper and conferences beyond his professional, he is a certified cooperator, trainer and startup consultant. He has involved himself in mentoring few startups and has been a part of academic consultant for established startups. With lots of his passion towards to changing the overview of education, he and his team have started a firm, Diksuchi, and he is the founder and managing partner of Diksuchi Mysuru. The team is working hard to build a strong bridge between education and professional or fashionable jobs. Today, we are blessed to have you, a unique personality with us to grab the information from you, and it's really a challenging task to our students of engineering to build a strong young bridge between education and professional and fashionable jobs. We welcome you, sir. Now, I request our beloved Chief Coordinator, IST Coordinator, Professor P. Vanjakshi, Assistant Professor, CSC Department, to deliver importance on today's webinar. Over to you, ma'am.
Respected Srimati Indira Gopala Krishna ma'am, Vice Chairman VKIT, Dr. D.V. Chandrasekhar sir, Principal VKIT, and today's guest, Professor Ulas, Speaker, Professor Ulas, and team of IST, and teaching and non-teaching staffs of VKIT. I.P. Vanajakshi, Associate Professor, Department of CSE and NIRF Coordinator, VKIT, hereby giving a brief introduction about a webinar on intellectual property rights and IP management for startups under IST chapter in association with Institute Innovation Council, VKIT. IST student chapter started at VKIT in the year 2019, and totally 500 students are registered under this chapter. Motto of the students chapter is to achieve our goal of excellence in the field of technology, and we are trying our best to provide base for students of IST chapter so that they can grow, improve knowledge, and explore opportunities which are lying in front of them. In this webinar, expert discussing on intellectual property rights and its vital role in enhancing the socio-economic prosperity of the country. The webinar is intended to cover various IPRs like patents, copyrights, trademarks, etc. IP management for startups, as any entrepreneur is well aware, the early stage of a new business venture or an incredibly busy time. Entrepreneurs must focus on building the core team, structuring the company, attracting the investors, developing the product service, and developing key partnerships, sales, and marketing plans. These tasks are typically all are consuming for the founders, taxing both their financial and time resources. I will request all the participants to get benefited by this webinar and improve knowledge towards the IPR and startups. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now it's time to hand over the session to our speaker, Mr. Ullas sir. Once again, I welcome you and thank you so much, sir, for having come and keeping all your schedule away and sharing your knowledge with faculty member, research scholars, and students. I request you to proceed with the presentation. Over to you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sharing the screen now.
Okay, sir.
ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಊಟದ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಫ್
ಐದು
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸಾಕು ನಾ ಅವತ್ತರ ಒಂಚೂರು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಹೊಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಫಿ ಹೊಡೆದೆ.
ಇದೊಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು
I hope the presentation is visible.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am, for giving a very nice and a brief introduction. I don't know how far I'll be able to reach out to all the expectations that you have marked, but definitely it's my pleasure to be a part of this program, and it would be a big honor for me to be presenting in front of people like the very respective peoples of your college and the management, and also the students who are quite keen and interested with respect to the content that we have for today's session. So, as we all know that sessions today, the session is all about IPR, that is intellectual property rights, and IP management for startups. So, it's very important for all the startups to understand what is intellectual property and how they are supposed to manage it, because we find a lot of startups to be failing in these kind of in these steps, taking these steps only, because according to the survey, they say that almost like more than 70 to 75% of the startups will be closed within 2.
So network ಬರಲ್ಲ.
problem.
ಈ phone
2 or 3 years.
Ma'am, you lost your internet connection. ಅವ್ರದ್ದ ನಮ್ದ? ಅವ್ರದಲ್ವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
Or the
How's
basic
all
investments and
this
basics. So
change
these will be given with 3 years of
What
time to
hoಯ್ತು
grow
ma'am?
and become a company,
Okay.
or an industry, or a institute, or you can call whatever you call industry, institute, or company. What it is. But that 3 years of time, we have got a lot of opportunity for startups, and they'll get more amount of benefits to grow. There will be a lot of support from the government and also from a lot of different external bodies. Third is that without having the proper knowledge of what is to be done, how is to be done, most of the startups are failing to acquire or reach to the point of accomplishment. So I think this point where we are speaking about the intellectual property rights and management of the same is much important for every startups, right? So let me just go through the same sessions now. What are the things we have? So today's session, I have made a small plan for this. So between the duration, whatever that has been given to me. So we'll start off understanding the introduction about IPR, what is IPR and all those things. And then we'll try to understand it, the definition of IPR. Followed by that, we'll also try to understand what is that patent act. Under that, what are IPRs, we'll also try to understand types of IPR, right? Then we'll also try to understand the act, whatever the patent act we have. And then what are the different methodologies or process that we are supposed to follow to apply patent and enforce it? How do you actually enforce it? And by the end, I'll try to conclude the overall session with respect to required points, which you can keep in mind out once after the completion of this session, right? And at the same time, I also try to put on some of the expectations. Some of the expectations what you can have out of this session is you will be able to understand the basics of IPR. So definitely basics, because it is a very big ocean, which would take a lot of time for us to understand, because there are a lot of clauses and a lot of different laws that have been defined for many different purposes, depending on different applications, different sectors, and different levels of industries we have, or they have defined, government has defined proper and respective rules for them. So we will only go through the basics of it for now, right? And then we also try to understand the methods, how to apply for IPR, what is the procedure that we have, and then we also try to see how it is enforced, what is the benefit of it, how it can be implemented, and what are the methods that you can use to grab the opportunities that you get out of IPR. And the other thing is that you should also be able to make sure that your idea is not stolen by someone else so easily, right? So IPR makes all those things possible, right? The last thing that we have is understand the basics of IP management and startups, how you actually can manage the IP with respect to startups. So we are specifically stressing more on the startups, wherein we are understanding that you will not be having too much of big burden of work on you, but in terms of management, but at the same time you will be having a small terms with respect to that of changes that whatever that we can manage for startups, where you have minimum amount of knowledge, but you will be able to implement it in a larger way. So IP management or IPR for every company is very much important, right? So let's try to understand what is IPR. So as we all know that you can just Google it everywhere and you can understand that IPR is nothing but it is a right given to a person or to a team or to a company for the creative thoughts in their minds. So if you are creative in terms of implementation or technology or product, then definitely you can actually go for IPR. So this IPR is a value that is given for your creative thought or your creative